To measure current in a circuit, we're going to need to switch to this setting here which says 10 amps. A for amperes, which is the unit of current. And one lead is going to go in COM, like it always does, and this time the other lead is going to go in the port that says 10 amps. It matches. Now we want to measure the amount of current coming out of the power pack to this light bulb. So we're going to need to insert the ammeter in series like this. The current's now flowing out of the power pack, into the ammeter, and then into the light bulb, and around the rest of the circuit. And we're measuring 0.32 amps. If I want to measure the current at a different point in the circuit, I'm just going to disconnect it and then insert the multimeter somewhere else in the circuit. And at this point, the current's the same, it's still 0.32 amps. In a series circuit, it doesn't matter where you measure the current, it's going to be the same current at all places throughout the loop. And when you're finished, don't forget to turn the multimeter off.